Hey guys, it's Dima from Dimostech, and today we're checking this BUTURE, and I'll put the model if I'll find exactly on the description of the video, and it doesn't really matter. Basically, this is a compressor and a booster for your car. So let's go ahead and check this out. So first of all, there was no actual unboxing or something. I'm going just to put it on a table, not even a top-down shot, I don't see the point. I'll show you first the accessories because there are a few and they are important for us. So first of all, this is like the main compressor, the adapter, and yeah, it seems like this is the main adapter that you'll use for your car, but there are quite a few other things. So let's see what we have here. We have the booster or starter, how you want, for the car, with that adapter that you connect to the booster itself, and yeah, it will do its job hopefully. I am not going to test it, and hopefully I'll never even need it, but better to have it than not to have it. That's one thing. So we have some other smaller adapters that I can find here. First of all, we have a USB-A to USB-C. Don't really care about that. Come on, everyone has his own cable. We have some adapters for the compressor. Try to show you. There is like one for balls and like this. The others, honestly, I am not fully sure what the usage for, but you can do that as well. And we have a manual guide, which is quite thick, but it has few languages, if I remember correctly. Yeah, it has, for example, Italian, French, English as well. Pretty normal guide. You should read it. It's quite useful. And the main thing, which is this thing. And yeah, it looks huge. By the way, let's see, portable jump starter, and we probably have a model here. Yeah, model Beta01. That doesn't sound really well when you read it like this, but here's the model. I'll try to focus on that. And we have, basically it's a battery, a huge battery with some options, and you can see here some button screens. We'll talk about that in a moment. You have here quite a few things. So basically the compressor adapter, USB-A, USB-A, USB-C, but I think this is for charging, and we have this thing which for the starter itself, for the adapter that you've seen, and a pretty huge LED. I'm not sure how good is this LED, but anyways, if I just press once, it will show you how much percentage of a battery it has. And I think if I press long press, let's see, yeah, it does start this thing, and it can flash and flash slower and stop. There is no actual turn off. It will turn off automatically after some time. It shows you just 75% of the battery, and the other options you can press here, or wait, this one. Yeah, this one is for the compressor, and if we press again, basically you can see it goes from bar to this, and and this one will change the measurement unit, and you can adjust what you want, how much, and then I think you press here. Yeah, you heard that, right? And that's an annoying noise, but hey, the compressor works, and that's exactly what it does. Well, actually, my car needs some air, so let's go to the car and put some air into it.
Thank you for watching this Demus Tech episode. If you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button and hit the bell so you won't miss any future video. And I'll see you on the next one.